Introduction. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 AI tools that have taken 2024 by storm. From creative writing to data analysis, these tools are revolutionizing the way we work and play. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future, grab a seat and let's get started. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. First up on our list is ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that's been making waves. It can generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. ChatGPT has applications in customer service, content creation, and even education. Imagine having an AI assistant that can help you with your homework or write a poem for your loved one. Tool number 2, Midjourney. Next, we have Midjourney, an AI tool that transforms text descriptions into stunning images. With Midjourney, you can create everything from realistic landscapes to fantastical creatures. It's a powerful tool for artists, designers, and anyone who wants to bring their imagination to life. Whether you're creating concept art for a video game or designing a logo for your business, Midjourney can help. Tool number 3, Runway ML. Runway ML is a versatile AI platform that offers a variety of tools for creating and experimenting with AI models. It's a great platform for developers and researchers to build custom AI applications. But it's also accessible to those without a coding background, thanks to its user-friendly interface. With Runway ML, you can create everything from style transfer filters to AI-powered video editing tools. Tool number 4, Stable Diffusion. Similar to Midjourney, Stable Diffusion is another text-to-image AI model that has gained popularity. It's known for its ability to generate highly detailed and realistic images. Stable Diffusion has a large and active community, which means there are constantly new and exciting developments happening. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration or a researcher exploring the limits of AI, Stable Diffusion is worth checking out. Tool number 5, Google Bard. Last but not least, we have Google Bard, Google's experimental conversational AI service. Bard is designed to be informative and comprehensive, providing summaries of factual topics or creating stories. It's a powerful tool for research and learning, and it's constantly being improved. Google Bard is a great example of how AI is being used to make information more accessible. Conclusion. There you have it, our top 5 AI tools for 2024. These tools are just a small glimpse into the exciting world of AI. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and powerful tools in the years to come. So embrace the future and start exploring the possibilities that AI has to offer.